Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today Simone is showing us a split cake by Diamond FX called Sweet Paradise. A lovely split cake with all metallic colors, and well, we definitely wanted to show it to you today. With the colors from the split cake Sweet Paradise and the Simone number 3 brush, Simone is creating the basic shapes on her forehead. So this could be kind of a princess crown, as it has very vibrant, lovely metallic colors. It looks incredibly cool for princesses, and that is why Simone is adding some bling to her forehead. Once that bling is on there, Simone switches to the split cake Springtime, also by Diamond FX, which has green, white and a few shades of blue. They fit perfect with the Sweet Paradise split cake, and they are a lovely combination of colors. A few double dip leaves, and of course a bit of white by Diamond FX as well for a few teardrops. A few dots, and with a lovely lipstick, our Sweet Paradise face paint for today is done. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below. Stay tuned on all our videos. For now, I wish you a wonderful day, and of course I hope to see you back next time.